Hi, my name is Mark Tyler. I created the TylerBay Lock, and today I'm going to show you how to install it. Step 1. Using the insert base, make sure that the handles are flush across the bottom. Step 2. Place the 2 carriage bolts in the insert base and slip up through the holes in the handles. Put the nuts and washers on there and just tighten the hand tight. Next, tighten the nuts so that they're hand tight. Next step is put the housing over the insert base, and this can be done one of two ways. You can either insert the lock from the top side or from the bottom side. We're going to do it from the top side. Slip it over the insert base. Slip the lock with the deadbolt pointing towards you. Turn the key, throw the deadbolt, pull the key out. Lock is installed.